nephew's favorite song, a Raven Friendly Dwayne. And ano siya ngayon, ano, kahapon, death anniversary niya. Forever 21 siya. Starry, starry night, paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day, where eyes that know the darkest in my soul, shadows on the hills, sketch the trees and daffodils, catch the breeze and winter chills, in colors on the snowy linen land. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. You wouldn't listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that brightly blaze, swirling clouds in violet haze, reflect in Vincent's eyes of china blue, colors changing you. Morning fields of amber green, withered faces lined in pain, I sold beneath the other's loving hand. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they didn't know how. Perhaps they'll listen now, for they could not love you. But still your love was true. And when no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I couldn't tell you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, portraits hangs in empty halls, frameless heads on nameless walls, red eyes that watch the world that can't forget, like the strangers that you've met. The rugged man in rugged clothes, silver turn a bloody rose, lay crushed and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They will listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will. Kinakanta ko lang yung mga awitin ng aking mga mahal sa buhay. Thank you for viewing. Maraming salamat. Sinare ko lang yung mga awitin ng aking. Kanina is favorite song yun ng aking alaga. And then ngayon is favorite song naman ng aking pamangkin na si Raven. So later, aawitin ko naman yung aking favorite na awitin. Thank you.